If you want to set up a waitlist on your Shopify store, you're in the right place. A waitlist lets customers leave their email or phone number when a product is out of stock and automatically notifies them the moment you restock. Whether you're about to launch a product or already out of stock, it's the easiest way to make sure you don't lose any customers. Here's what it looks like when it's done right. Your out-of-stock products now show a Join the Waitlist button right on the product page. Customers click it, enter their email or phone number, hit Notify Me, and the moment you restock, they get notified automatically. No manual work and no coding needed. We'll set this up using the STOQ app, which is free to start, super easy to set up, and works on all Shopify plans. One thing before we begin, make sure you're on a Shopify 2.0 theme like Dawn or Refresh. If you're on an older theme, the button won't show up. All right, let's get into it. The first step is to install the STOQ app. To do that, open your Shopify dashboard or go to the Shopify App Store. Now in the search bar, type STOQ, and once you find the app, click on it. Here you can check the app details, features, and reviews. You can see that STOQ has over 3,000 five-star reviews. It's been selected as one of Shopify's top 25 apps, and it also comes with 24/7 human support for both free and paid users. Now let's click Install. Shopify will now ask for a few permissions so STOQ can work properly with your products and inventory. So just click Install again, and that's it. The STOQ app has now been successfully installed on your Shopify store. Now, once the installation is complete, you can see STOQ here in the app section. Once you open the STOQ dashboard for the first time, you'll see two main features, pre-orders and back-in-stock alerts. The pre-order option lets customers place orders even before a product is available, which is great for product launches or temporarily unavailable items. To learn how to set that up, check out our video by clicking the link in the description below. The back-in-stock feature helps create a waitlist where customers can sign up to get notified once a sold-out product is available again. Since in this video we're creating a waitlist on Shopify, let's select back-in-stock alerts. Next, you'll be asked to choose a plan. STOQ has a free plan. Everything in this tutorial works without paying anything. And later, if you need more notifications or advanced features, you can always upgrade. So for this tutorial, let's continue with the free plan. To select it, simply click on Get Started. And within a few seconds, your STOQ account will be ready. Now that we've selected the plan, let's enable the app on our Shopify store so the waitlist button can appear on our product pages. Now, if the STOQ app is not enabled yet, STOQ will automatically show you a prompt saying Enable App Embed. So let's click on it. This will take you to your Shopify theme editor. And here, go to App Embeds. And now you'll see the STOQ app option. So just turn it on, then click Save. And that's it. The STOQ app is now successfully enabled on your Shopify store. Now, if your waitlist button ever doesn't appear later, this is usually the first thing you should come back and check. Customize the Notify Me button. Now that the app is enabled, let's customize how customers will actually see and use the waitlist button on our Shopify store. To do that, go back to the STOQ dashboard and back in STOQ alerts. Click on Customize Widget. Now, once you open it, click here and you'll notice the STOQ app gives you two sign-up styles. The first one is button plus pop-up. With this option, customers will first see a Join Waitlist button on the product page. And once they click on it, a pop-up form appears where they can enter their email or phone number. The second option is the on-page form, which comes with STOQ's upgraded plan. Here, the sign-up form appears directly on the product page itself without opening a pop-up first, which is useful if you want the waitlist form to always stay visible. But for this tutorial, let's continue with the button plus pop-up option because it works really well for most Shopify stores. Now let's customize the button itself. To customize the button, click on Button Position and Style. Now, by default, the button text might say something like, Notify me when available. So let's change it to Join the Waitlist. To change the text color, simply click here and pick any color that matches your brand or store theme. And similarly, you can change the background color as well. You can also change the border radius like this. Now, let's say you don't like the position of the button here. So to change that, click on Change Position. A chat window opens directly to STOQ support team. They're available 24/7, even on the free plan, and they'll usually sort it within minutes. Worth noting that it's a real person, not a bot. And as we make these changes, you can instantly see the live preview here on the right side. Now let's choose where the waitlist button should appear in the store. Let's go back, and if you click on products, you can decide whether the Join the Waitlist button should appear on all out-of-stock products or only on specific products. You'll also see an option called Show Notify Me widget if any variant is out of stock. So let's say a product has multiple sizes. Maybe small and large are available, but medium is sold out. If this option is enabled, customers will still see the waitlist button for the unavailable size instead of leaving the store, which is really useful for clothing stores or products with multiple variations. Next, under Pages, STOQ gives you full control over where the waitlist button appears across your store. You can enable it on collection pages, homepage products, directly in Shopify search results, and even on custom pages, so customers can join the waitlist without opening the product page first. Now let's move ahead and set up how customers can actually sign up and receive the back in stock notifications. So let's go back and customize the sign up form as well. Click on Sign Up Form. Here we have different features for setting up the form. So let's check them one by one. First, let's go to Channels. Here you can choose how customers receive back in stock alerts. STOQ supports both email alerts and SMS alerts, with SMS notifications available on the upgraded plan. Next, let's check the form content. Now from here, you can customize how the waitlist pop-up will actually look for customers. For example, if you want to change the pop-up heading, simply click here and type your own text. Similarly, you can also change the description text below it. If you want to display the product image inside the pop-up, simply enable the Show Product Image option, and it'll appear like this. Now if you scroll a little more, you'll see features like quantity and quick resubscribe that come with the upgraded plan. The quantity option lets customers choose how many units they want once the product is back in stock. And quick resubscribe allows customers to join the waitlist again with just one click. Then if you scroll a bit more, you'll also see options like alerts and email field, where you can customize the error messages, placeholders, and email labels shown to customers. And below that, you'll also find the phone number field settings, where you can choose the default country, manage SMS sign-up countries, and decide how the phone field appears inside the pop-up. You'll also see options for collecting customer names and adding a mailing list sign-up, both on the paid plan. Customer names let you send more personalized alerts, and the mailing list option lets customers subscribe to your marketing emails while joining the waitlist. So you're building your list at the same time. And finally, there's double opt-in. When double opt-in is enabled, customers receive a confirmation email after signing up and must verify their email before joining the waitlist. This is useful for stores that want better email verification or you're selling in regions that require GDPR compliance. Now take a quick look at all the changes. And once everything looks good, simply click on Save the Changes, and all your changes will be updated on your store. Now let's set up a couple more things to make sure your waitlist works the way you want. First up, automatic notifications. Go to Notifications. Here, you can enable automatic notifications so the moment you restock a product from your Shopify admin, STOQ will automatically send back-in-stock alerts to customers. You can also set a minimum restock quantity from here, so notifications are only sent once enough stock is available. And if you want, you can click on Email and SMS templates to customize the message customers will receive. Now scroll down to the delivery settings. From here, you can decide how STOQ should send the restock alerts. For example, you can choose whether customers should get notified when any product location is restocked, whether alerts should be sent all at once, or only when their selected product variant comes back in stock. You can also choose the language in which customers will receive the notifications from here. Connect your existing email and SMS tools. If you're already using marketing tools on your Shopify store, STOQ connects with them directly. Go to Integrations to set this up. If you're on Klaviyo, your waitlist signups can automatically sync into your lists and flows. No manual exporting needed. STOQ also connects with MailChimp, Omnisend, PostScript, and Shopify Flow if you're using any of those. Now, STOQ not only collects back-in-stock signups, it also shows you what customers are actively waiting to buy. To check this, go to Reports from the left side menu and open the Products tab under the Back-in-Stock section. Here you get 3 views: Engagement, Demand, and Revenue. The Demand view shows which products or variants are getting the most waitlist signups, and you can use filters like Trending or Recently Requested so you can quickly spot high-demand products. Similarly, the engagement view helps you track customer interactions with your waitlist button, while the revenue view shows you how much revenue your back-in-stock alerts are generating. So instead of ordering stock based on gut feel, you can look at your waitlist data and know exactly which products to prioritize and roughly how many units you actually need. And if you're selling in multiple countries, STOQ also supports Shopify markets, so customers can see restock alerts in their own language, currency, and storefront. And if you run a physical store, STOQ also integrates with Shopify POS, so customers can join Waitlist directly from your retail store as well. Now everything is done, so let's quickly preview how the waitlist looks on the store. So here's our out-of-stock product. And as you can see, the Join the Waitlist button is now showing perfectly below the Sold Out button. Now once a customer clicks on it, this pop-up form appears instantly. From here, they can simply enter their email address or phone number and join the waitlist. So whenever the product comes back in stock, they'll automatically get notified like this. And if you face any problem during the setup or need any help customizing the waitlist, you can also directly chat with the STOQ support team or schedule a support call. STOQ offers 24/7 support across all plans, including the free plan. So if you get stuck anywhere, help is usually just a few minutes away. And that's it, guys. Your waitlist is now live. The next time a customer lands on an out-of-stock product, they'll be able to sign up and you can bring them back when you restock. You'll find the STOQ install link in the description below. And as you saw, the entire setup is super easy and takes only a couple of minutes. If you're also thinking about letting customers order before you restock, I've got a full pre-orders tutorial linked right here. If this video helped, make sure to subscribe for more Shopify tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.